3 finished. In other words, very unsettled, often windy, often wet too, adding to the problems of already saturated ground in many parts of the country. We saw one band of rain moving north overnight, turning to snow up on the hills. Then something of a weather window coming in at the moment with some sunshine in many parts of the country. But this next fellow down here to the southwest will develop and move more rain into the south by tomorrow morning. Saw plenty of rain last night then. Bear in mind 25 of these things make an inch. 19 millimetres at Plymouth and Southampton represents something like 0.8 inches. And many places in fact did catch another half an inch of rain across the country. A few showers still scattered around, some showers now showing up coming across Wales into the southwest Midlands, and still that persistent rain up in the far north of Scotland, but that should move away fairly quickly now this afternoon, and the sleet moving away as well. But some fairly beefy showers over western Scotland, but plenty of sunshine to come. I think most of us should see some sunshine today, with many eastern parts having a lovely afternoon. A milder day than yesterday as well, 8 to 10 in the south, nearer to 3 to 5 as you go across Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland too. Now, a few showers coming through on that southwesterly wind through the night, but then towards the end of the night we'll find more organised rain showing up in the extreme southern counties of England and South Wales by tomorrow morning. A chilly night up in the north. There will be some ice on the roads, temperatures falling to freezing. Down here in the south around about 3 to 5 being the minimum. Well, that's how things will look tomorrow morning with this new warm front coming into the south, bringing rather misty conditions to the channel and certainly some heavy rain too. A bright enough start further north through northern England northwards, but there will be some wintry showers still up in the far north of Scotland. Then a band of rain sweeping northwards up into southern Scotland during daylight hours, with brighter, showery, windy weather following on behind. Some of these showers will be heavy. There could be the odd crack of thunder, but it'll be a mild day in the south tomorrow, up to 9 or 10 degrees, nearer to 5 to 7 as you head across Scotland and northern England. Well, on Tuesday, low pressure resident across northern parts of the country, and this cold front swinging a band of heavy showers across many southern parts, with probably fewer showers developing through the afternoon, more in the way of sunshine by then. A band of rain moving across the rest of Scotland at that time. Things start to get a bit developmental as we go into the middle part of the week. The joint week turns a bit colder too. This area of low pressure twisting across southern parts of Britain. It does mean to say that as the next batch of rain moves northwards, it will readily turn to sleet and snow, particularly on the higher ground from about the Peak District northwards. So quite nasty conditions to come by the end of Wednesday. Quite a bit of snowfall likely over the Pennines and much of the high ground of Scotland by that time. In the south then, brighter weather again feeding in behind, but you can see the temperatures then are beginning to tumble. A new area of low pressure, yet another one, shows up in the south by Thursday, and that low pressure will be resident across the country right the way towards the weekend, so it's going to stay very unsettled. But the main thing is that we are going to see a drop in temperature. It will turn colder. There will be frosts around at night, but another batch of heavy rain in the southeastern quarter of Britain to begin with, that moving away, and then some wintry showers for many northern and western parts at the end of the week. And that's it.